What's up, everybody? Okay, probably wondering what's going on right now. I have a limit on my recording thing that I'll be using to record mostly all my videos. I have a limit that it is annoying, so flippin' annoying that I have to cut the video and edit the videos I added when I edit the videos I just did right now to another video and another video. So I gotta keep editing on, editing on that. But it's really easy. Is people it just thinks that I'm not freaking whatever. But I found this a minute ago. If you ever watched a series of Danny Phantom as a kid, then you should know what this is. But Danny Phantom like a ghost. He got his powers from like a ghost realm or something. I can't remember how the series goes because I have not watched Danny Phantom in a long time. I used to do as a kid, but not anymore because it sort of doesn't come out anymore. And yeah, so before so the sound come from it is awesome. It really goes with the, the freaking theme of one of the episodes of Danny Phantom. I've never seen it before because I stopped watching Danny Phantom like a long time ago. I don't know why. I don't know why. But I think that I sort of like edit a video onto another video because I have a limit on my recording thing that I gotta keep editing a video onto another video. I never done that before, but I started doing it now because I want to record for a really long time. So it kind of works, I guess. So the music is fine. You can like download it on your phone. If you have YouTube MP3, you can like download it, listen to it. Like mostly, like I don't know I don't know how, but I will download this song when I'm done recording. But this here, then you get a pinpoint of what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Hey. 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 Mm. 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 Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but I can't live it up myself. The music said, I'm sorry I paused it, by the way. I know y'all wanted to finish listening to it, but I just couldn't just freaking stop. So, I'm still gonna show the rest of the flipping video. If I want to download it, I can check on my YouTube channel, because I do have it on my yeah, I can tell because I have like a couple of us music on my YouTube channel that you can go look for yourselves. But I do be putting more videos, music videos that other people make on there, so you might want to hurry up and go get it before it goes out to the bottom. Because some of the music I have put on there, I forgot about since I've been series of every time I record a video or every time I keep adding more music on there for y'all to like listen to. But if y'all want to listen to this, go download it. It's like a mix channel. Look it up. Go to YouTube MP3 player and download it, and you can listen to it anytime you want. So yeah, turn it up. Probably wonder why I had it down so low to sound because I didn't want to blow into the eardrums every time I record a video and the freaking music or sound be up too loud. Because I don't want to blow your eardrums off. If y'all wearing headphones or like with some loud headphones, I don't want to destroy your ears or anything. Because I know some people, some people have sensitive ears, and that's why I didn't want to turn them up by the way. Because I didn't want to like strain yours or anything. But yeah. So if you like the video, make sure you get it to how many likes I can give it. I'm not asking for a lot. But if you like the video, make sure you smack the like button and has on around. And up. See you all dudes in the next video. Peace out, my good at sayings. Goku Destroyer out.